Welcome to PlatterPrism. Today we will cook a simple chicken starter, that is pepper chicken. This is very easy to cook yet delicious. If you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. For this, let's chop 2 onions first. You can chop the onions into thin slices or small pieces like I am showing. Take 3 green chilies and slit them into halves. In pepper chicken, we don't use red chili powder. We get the spiciness from pepper powder and green chilies. Let's start cooking now. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a kadhai and add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, few curry leaves and let them splutter. And now add green chilies. Saute them for a minute till they turn aromatic. Now add finely chopped onions. Mix well and cook them till they turn light brown. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. You can add turmeric powder here. As I have marinated the chicken with salt and turmeric powder, I am skipping that step. To this, add 2 teaspoons pepper powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix both the ingredients well and cook for 2 minutes. The spices are aromatic now. Let's add half kg chicken and salt to taste and mix them well. We don't have any more ingredients to add to this recipe. Let's close the lid and cook till the chicken is done. Stir occasionally and make sure the chicken is not touching the bottom of the pan. As this is a dry starter, I am not adding any water in this recipe. Now the chicken looks cooked. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and serve hot. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more simple recipes.